Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate our claim management system. This system assists in settling organizational expenses. It includes features for claim requisition and claim submission. First, we will review key features of claim management. The dashboard offers advanced search, dynamic charts, and responsive controls for a clear view of operations. These tools allow quick data access and seamless analysis. The requisition submission feature lets you request advance amounts or simply submit for informational purposes. Use the claim submission feature for reimbursing expenses. Approved requisitions can be linked to claims. Eligibility checks prevent excess claims. Finance integration manages approved expenses and payments. Our mobile app enables remote submission. At last, reports consolidate transactions, providing a clear financial overview. Alright, let's get straight to the demo of claim management in the mobile app. First, we'll log in. For security, I've set up a PIN for this user. Let's enter it. This is the app's dashboard. You can see various workforce management modules here. Now, if we go to notifications, you'll find workflows, requests, and notifications. To see details, tap the zoom icon. This opens the information in a web view within the app. You can tap more for complete details. Back to the app, and back to the dashboard. Now, tapping claims shows all submitted claims from the mobile app. Here, the first two are submitted, showing in progress. The third is a draft. The fourth and fifth are approved, and the next two are rejected. Up top, you'll see a filter option. You can filter by status and period. Let's go back and look at each of these claims individually. Let's look at the submitted claim. This is a travel claim for 2,400 Indian rupees. You'll see the start and end dates, description, and attachments. The breakdown shows 400 Indian rupees for food and 2,000 Indian rupees for accommodation within the country. Now, the drafted claim. You can edit this one. It's an entertainment claim for 250 Indian rupees. Moving to the approved claims, this is a travel claim for 250 Indian rupees, the reason given is excess baggage. For the rejected claims, these are highlighted in red. You can edit a rejected claim and resubmit it using the Submit button. You can also create a new claim with the Create button. That covers the claim management functionality in the mobile app. Now, we'll move on to ESS. Let's look at requisition and submission through ESS. I'm logging in with employee credentials. This is the employee dashboard. You'll see the employee self-service form, travel, leave, and notifications. Let's go into the employee self-service form. On the left, employee details are displayed. You'll see claim data here, green for approved, in progress, and red for rejected. Now, let's go to claim management. First, claim requisition. Here, you can add new requisitions and view or edit existing ones. On the landing page, you can create a new requisition or view records by status. Back to the main menu, and then to view and edit claim requisition. Here are all the employees' submitted claims, these are the approved records. Selecting one, you can view the requisition details, start and end dates, requisition name, destinations, currency, and total requested amount. Here's the submission status. Inside requisition details, you'll find sub-requisition information. You'll see sub-requisitions, dates, and purpose. You can attach documents here. Currency, amount, and an advance request checkbox are also available. Fill in the advance details if needed. Now, for claim submission through ESS. Back to the employee self-service form, claim management, and claim submission form. You can add new submissions and view or edit existing ones. You can also create new records or view submissions by status. Back to the menu, and then view added claim submission. Here are the records for submitted claims. The first one is not submitted, and the others are approved. Let's select a record. Here are the details: claim submission number, start date, claim name. If there's a requisition, mark it yes and enter the details. Select currency, total amount, and fill in the remaining details. In submission details, you'll enter subclaim specifics, start and end dates, subclaim name, currency, and amount. Back to the main screen, if a requisition is linked, you'll see it in submission requisition details. As you can see here, 2 requisitions are linked and visible. That covers claim submission in ESS. Now, let's move to the admin side. I'm logging in with admin credentials. This is the admin dashboard, showing claim data. On the right, you'll see login user details. This menu leads to claim management. Clicking it shows the admin's access permissions. Here's where claim types are defined. You can see the existing claims. Selecting one, you can define organization, claim type, claim name, and related details. Subclaim types are defined within. You can also define claim eligibilities for each subclaim here. Now, claim requisition admin. This is the admin landing page. You can directly access a claim. On the left, filters allow searching for specific records. Here are all employee-submitted requisitions. Admins can also create requisitions on behalf of employees. Selecting a record, you'll see the employee's claim requisition details. This employee submitted a travel claim for 1,500 Indian rupees, with the date shown. In requisition details, you'll see the subclaims. This employee submitted a subclaim for public transport within travel. The amount is 1,500 Indian rupees, and the attached document is visible. Back to claim management, and now claim submission. This is the landing page. You can create new claims, view reports, search records, or view existing claims. The amount used for each claim is shown here. Filters are available for direct record searches. Admins can create and submit records for employees. Let's look at a record. This employee submitted a travel claim for 200 Indian rupees, with invoice and payment details. If a requisition is linked, you'll see it here. Here are the requisition details. Now, submission details. You'll see the subclaim details. This employee used the public transport subclaim for £200. That's the admin part. Now, we'll move to the finance part. I'm logging in with finance credentials. This user also has finance admin roles, so I'm switching the role. Select the role and apply the change. This is the finance admin dashboard. Here you'll see finance-related details for claim management. Go to the menu, HR Management, and then Claim Management. The finance admin has access to claim requisition finance, claim submission finance, expense voucher generation, and reports. First, claim requisition finance. This is the finance admin dashboard. You'll see an overview of the requisition finance screen. Reports can be accessed here, and claim requisition types are displayed. This chart shows requisition and advanced requisitions. On the left, filters allow searching for specific records. Let's look at a record. Here are the details of the employee submitted requisition. This employee submitted a requisition for 47,286 Indian rupees from January 2 to March 2, 2025. In requisition details, you'll see the subclaim details and amounts. Here's accommodation within the country for 250 Indian rupees. The next record shows £300 for an air ticket, demonstrating multi-currency support. Payment details show the payment specifics for this requisition. Finance admins can enter bank details and generate payments for approved requisitions. Next, expense vouchers. These are needed for submitted claims. Here, users can generate them. Select organization, document type, and process. To generate a voucher for a specific claim submission, select it. Otherwise, clicking OK generates vouchers for all claims. Now, the Claim Submission Finance screen. This is the Claim Submission Finance dashboard. You'll find widgets, reports, and charts for a quick overview. Here are the details of all employee-submitted claims. Filters are available on the left. Selecting a record, you'll see the details. This employee submitted a travel claim with a linked requisition. Requisition details are in Submission Requisition Details. You can zoom for more detail. Submission details show the subclaim type, date, and requested amount. Admins can generate expense vouchers and payments. This example shows an expense voucher generated and payment completed. Expense voucher details are accessible here. Here are the expense voucher details. The status shows completed. Similarly, zooming on payment details shows the payment information for that claim. This one is also complete. Location details are also available. That covers the finance admin functionality. Now, let's look at the reports. First, the claim requisition report. This report shows organization, employee name, requisition number, start and end dates, requisition name, currency, requested and approved amounts, sub-requisition details, currency, and advance amount for each sub-requisition. Next, the claim submission report. This shows organization, employee name, submission number, start and end dates, claim name, currency, total claim amount, subclaim details, amount, expense invoice amount, payment amount, and cash journal amount if applicable. Lastly, here's the claim reconciliation report. It matches requisition and submission data. You'll see submission and requisition numbers, claim and advance requisition amounts, expense invoice amount, payment amount, and cash journal amount. These are the available reports. That concludes the claim management demo. Thank you.